Hi, this is Nick Wiecek, and in just a minute, I'm going to tell you about an MLM automation solution that will help you build a highly profitable network marketing business no matter what you're selling using sales funnels. But before I do, let me quickly share with you why sales funnels are the golden ticket to whatever you could possibly want in life. I say that because the biggest difference between network marketers that have sold millions and those that fail miserably has almost nothing to do with the quality of what's being sold. While, of course, quality is important, it doesn't make the sale. It's the message, the story, the customer's journey, the sales funnel that does that. After all, in every MLM company, thousands of people are trying to sell the exact same products as you, and if you don't have a way to stand out from everyone, you'll be crushed by your competitors. Unfortunately, it's much harder than you might think to get people begging to join your MLM business. You really only have two choices. You can exhaust your entire list of friends and family and spam social media until you get a few signups, or you can spend years trying to figure out how to automate your network marketing business online like I did. Still, there are problems with both these options. For one thing, digital marketing is not easy. Even the greatest online marketers in the world spend countless hours and thousands of dollars in testing to build profitable sales funnels for their business. If you don't have the time or the money to learn how to build an amazing online business, or you just aren't confident you could ever be good at it, then of course you could always just spam friends and family on social media with the script your upline leaders provided you. But trying to persuade these people to join your team obviously comes with drawbacks too. For one thing, about 80% of your friends and family generally aren't the right fit for your product or service you're promoting. They probably aren't the kinds of people you want to be in your business either. And every MLM company in the world gives their distributors the exact same script. So spamming social media with those sleazy recruiting scripts just doesn't work anymore. Unfortunately, I know about these challenges all too well because I've been in MLM for 3 years. To overcome these problems, I actually taught myself online marketing, which is how I know that while it isn't impossible to do, it sure as heck isn't easy. At a minimum, it takes loads of money or loads of time and lots of trial and error. Take me, for example. I had to spend tens of thousands of dollars on books and courses from world-class online marketers, and it wasn't enough for me to just review those lessons. I also had to painstakingly commit to what I was learning to memory, to practice and practice and practice some more, leading to lots of trial and error. For instance, I might have spent weeks creating a sales page only to drive traffic to it and discover it was a huge fail because people weren't buying anything from it. Each time that happened, not only was it an expensive mistake, but it also made the hours I spent writing the page a complete waste. Which brings me to another problem you'll find when you try to learn building your business online. It takes tons of time. After all, life doesn't exactly stop and wait while you learn how to put your business on autopilot. For instance, when I was trying to become a good online marketer, not only was I working a full-time job in the Air Force and managing the extreme stress of that rigid environment, but I was also trying to spend time with my family. However, the news isn't all grim. After investing tons of time and money, my ambition did ultimately pay off. More than 2 years later, I'd finally cracked the code of network marketing online, and with that skill set, I made it to the top rank of my company within 4 months and had over 600 people join my downline just in the past month, which is how I know that using great online sales funnels is the foundation of any successful business. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about an MLM automation solution I created that's infinitely easier, faster, and cheaper than alienating your friends and family or trying to learn these network marketing hacks on your own. Introducing Modern Downline Secrets, a network marketing automation system that allows you to build a profitable network marketing business online. I'm talking about online sales funnels that get your visitors to take action, increasing your leads and customers, yielding higher sales, and most importantly, putting more money in your pocket. The beauty of Modern Downline Secrets is that our funnels automate the entire sales process from point A to point Z, taking your customers on a journey, which by the end you have them raising their hands, begging to join your downline. These high converting sales funnels, specifically designed for network marketing, are already done for you, ready to use, which normally would cost you thousands of dollars, tons of time, and lots of trial and error to build. Instead, you can leverage all the blood, sweat, and tears I've spent studying legendary top earners like Jason Brown, Matthew Rosa, Susan Lahn, Nolan Johnson, David Lisiaga, Steven Larson, and many, many more. With Modern Downline Secrets, you'll get all the critical lessons I developed using everything I learned from those world-class network marketers. So you sell way more of whatever it is that you're selling and recruit like crazy. These are controversial lessons the top MLMers don't want you to know, but I'm bringing them straight to you in Module 1 of Modern Downline Secrets. Plus, you'll be able to take a massive shortcut by leveraging my pre-built recruiting funnel. I personally have 2 to 3 people asking to join my downline each day using this rare type of funnel. Using this same funnel personalized to you, you'll never have to try to recruit your friends and family or feel like a sleazy salesperson on social media ever again. You can even use Modern Downline Secrets to get the right traffic, aka your dream customers, to find you online. This is one of the biggest obstacles most entrepreneurs face when trying to generate leads and sales online, because at some point we've believed the idea of, if you build it, they will come. In other words, we build a sales funnel for our business and then we wait for our future dream customers to come to us. About a year ago, I finally made an awesome funnel, but it was very hard to get people to even know I existed. I tested everything. If someone said this would get more traffic, I tested it on my own dime. Most of the things I tried didn't work, but a few of the things, the real secrets that did work, started to compound on each other. Each new secret would help me tap into a new stream of my dream customers. What seemed impossible before was now a reality. In Modern Downline Secrets, you'll get all the strategies I use to bring thousands of visitors to my funnels every month. In fact, these secrets are so important that there's an entire module all about traffic, because it's the foundation of your entire business. Those are just some of the reasons you'll find that an investment in Modern Downline Secrets pays for itself. Plus, that investment will benefit you no matter what MLM company you're in, because my Modern Downline Secrets work for any and all businesses, whether you're selling physical products, digital products, high ticket or low ticket. Even better, Modern Downline Secrets is unbelievably simple to use. You can access your dashboard from any computer, laptop, or mobile device, and your pre-built recruiting sales funnel is ready for you to download instantly with one click of a button. All you need to do is change the names on the pages to make it your own, and voila, you have a fully blown auto-recruiting sales funnel ready for you to launch. That's it. It really is that simple. So by now you're probably wondering, how much does Modern Downline Secrets cost? Well, the regular price of Modern Downline Secrets is $397 per year, or $33 per month. But because you found Modern Downline Secrets through this special limited time offer, you're going to get an amazing deal you won't find anywhere else. Instead of paying $397 per year to use Modern Downline Secrets, if you order today from this special page, you can get Modern Downline Secrets for just $47. No monthly fees, just one small payment of $47, and that's it. No restrictions, 0 annual or monthly fees, and no catches. But you have to act now. This offer is so good, it will not last forever. So to take advantage of it, click the button below this video. Once you've entered your payment information, you can immediately start going through the full Modern Downline Secrets masterclass and using your recruiting funnel to get your first automated sale online. You have absolutely nothing to lose because I offer a no questions asked, 100% money back, 30-day guarantee. So if you're ready to increase sales, attract new leads, and build your dream downline with super effective sales funnels, click the link below this video to get Modern Downline Secrets right now. It might just be the best investment you ever make. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.